Hey everybody, this is the solution for problem 1 from the second quiz. In this problem, we're asked to find the general solution for a differential equation, which we're told is separable. Fantastic. So let's see, it looks like the derivative of y is y squared times t cubed. So to separate a differential equation, right, we want to change it so that all of one variable is on one side and all the other variables on the other. So in this case, we can divide both sides by y squared and multiply both sides by dt. So we'll divide by y squared and we'll multiply by dt. And if we do that, we'll be left with dy over y squared equals t cubed times dt. And at this point, we can see, yes, it really is separable. We've got all the y's on the left and all the t's on the right. All right, well, let's see. Now we can anti-differentiate. And of course, we remember that if we anti-differentiate both sides of an equation, you don't get equality unless you include an arbitrary constant of integration. Okay, so that's going to be important. Whenever we have an equality and we anti-differentiate both sides, we have to put in plus c, because remember, if we differentiate, the plus c is lost. So it could be that any given antiderivative won't equal another antiderivative, but we do know they're all equal up to a constant. So by putting this plus c in here, we take that into account. All right, well, let's see. Now, just a little scratch work on the side. This 1 over y squared, that's equal to y to the negative 2. And that'll make it a little easier to use our power rule. So if I find an antiderivative of y to the negative 2, that will be y to the negative 1 divided by negative 1, which is just giving us a negative. And on the right-hand side, well, t cubed, that one's pretty easy. We'll get 1/4 t to the 4th plus a constant. Okay. We can, if we like, solve for y here. So first, I would get rid of the negative. And let me rewrite the y inverse as 1 over y. So I have 1 over y equals, now I negate everything, and I have negative 1/4 t to the 4th. And I can write plus or minus c here. I'll write minus c just so that it doesn't look a little weird. But remember, this c could be any constant, so whether we add or subtract it doesn't matter. And then finally, if I want to solve for y, I need to take the reciprocal of both sides. So y equals, well, now I need to take the reciprocal here, 1 over negative 1/4 t to the 4th minus c.